Want to increase your average order value and sell more on every checkout? With Checkify, it's incredibly easy. You can use pre-upsells for extended warranties, gift wrapping, premium services, or adding an extra product to the order. To get started, open your Checkify Plus admin panel, go to the Extra Offers tab in the left side menu and select Offers on Checkout page. Here you can create multiple additional paid offers. Depending on your plan, you can add up to 100 offers, and each offer must have a unique title. Click Create Offer to start setting it up. First, enter an internal name so you can easily find this offer later. Then enter the offer price, for example, 15 euros. Next, set the offer title and description that customers will see. We also recommend uploading an offer image to increase trust, visual appeal, and conversion. If your offer includes a physical product, enable requires shipping so the system knows delivery is needed. You can also enable pre-select offer, which means the upsell will already be selected by default, helping boost acceptance rates. If you want to apply taxes, make sure taxes are enabled in the taxes section first, then activate tax for this offer. Next, choose when the offer should appear. You can show it on every checkout, or only when customers purchase specific products or variants. If you select specific products, open the product catalog and choose the items that should trigger this upsell. You can always edit the selected products later. After saving and enabling the offer, it will be automatically added to the order total when displayed at checkout. Here's what it looks like from the customer's perspective. The upsell appears directly on the checkout page, and customers can add it with a single click. Save this video if it helped you increase your store's revenue. And let us know in the comments if you want a full guide on discounts, promo codes, or time-limited campaigns. We'll make it next. And if you're selling on Shopify, you can unlock even more control by running upsells and discounts on your own custom checkout page with Checkify Pro.